Alright, got us a project we're about to get started on. What are we going to do, Carla?
We're going to install a new mattress in our truck camper. The one that came with it was way too thick.
Yeah, so it was like 9-10 inches thick, so Carla ordered one on Amazon, so I don't know anything about it. It's not a fancy brand or anything, but it's 6 inches thick. So we're going to put that on. We're going to put our Froli system down in the lance, and then we're going to put the mattress on, and then Carla's got a Beddy we're going to put on, so we're going to check all that out. So let's go inside and check out the lance, what it looks like with no mattress in it.
Here's the mattress that Todd took out of it. That was a project in itself, just taking the mattress out of it, but this one's 9 inches. Or it may even be bigger than that, I don't know. It's pretty thick. But too big for that space right there, because that's a tiny little space.
Yeah, the cab area is not real tall in this particular camper, so it's not a whole lot of headroom, so make the mattress a little bit thinner, give us an extra 3 inches. Should make a big difference.
Yeah, the Froli's going to take up a little space, but not too much. So this is what the bed area looks like after the old mattress was taken out. As you'll see, it has this silver Reflectix material underneath the bed area. I think Lance does that in all of their truck campers, and maybe all their campers. But we're getting ready to put a thinner mattress in this space. I don't know how tall that is, but hopefully it'll be just under that.
Like we said, the headroom area is not real tall, so without the mattress, Carla can just barely
And I'm kind of scrunched down a
sit
little
up.
bit.
So
Yeah.
when we put the new mattress in, still not gonna be able to sit up. But
No.
it's just the way it is in this particular model. It's not like some of the bigger units that have more headroom, but it's all right. It works.
And this is up here. We need to take this down.
Yeah,
This was the table thing that come with the, or actually it helps make the bed for the dinette.
Yeah. Take that out.
Yeah.
So up on top of our rack full of tools and junk, you can see our Froli system up there. Got to get that down and lay it out.
You can stand behind you and use the hand somewhere. I don't want to bust it. You got it.
All right, Carla's got the Froli.
Yay!
We love the Froli. We haven't been able to use it in a while.
Yeah, we weren't able to use it in our Bigfoot because our Bigfoot mattress was pretty thick. So it's just been sitting up there on that shelf, and I really wanted to use it.
Yeah, and this is queen size, and our Bigfoot mattress is king.
Our Bigfoot's
So.
king, so. Whoa. Of course I'm going to.
Don't break anything.
Let's get this sucker in. Ready?
Yeah, put it in there. Super easy.
Holy Froli!
Gonna basically just unroll it.
Yeah. Some of the Frolies might fall out, but
Yeah, we'll have to check and make sure they're all in place properly.
don't get a butt shot.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been in the garage for a little while, so
Yeah, it's a little.
have to flatten out, but Froli's great. It not only does it allow ventilation and airflow underneath the mattress, which is the main thing, it also
Works as
does
a
add
box spring.
kind of like a box spring, so it gives you a little support as well. So we do love the Froli. Highly suggest getting one,
Yeah.
especially in a truck camper, because the cab over area, the floor is just underneath the mattress, and you know, in hot and cold you can get condensation, so you need the airflow underneath the mattress in a truck camper.
Yes. Looks like one of the Frolies popped off, but they're super easy to replace. All you gotta do is just pop it on and quarter turn. Right. It's 15% off. This is not a sponsored video, but we will say that we really love the Froli. We've had it in just about every single truck camper that we've had, I think. and we've had it ever since. We've had the Froli ever since our very first one, and we've moved it from truck camper to truck camper. We love it. We highly recommend them. If you're interested in purchasing one, we'll put a link below the video, and you can also receive 15% off if you purchase one. If they're on sale, you don't get the 15% off, but again, we highly recommend. Link below the video.
All right, let's go get the mattress out of the box.
All right.
Gotta bust it out.
Yeah, this is the fun part.
It's shrink wrapped, so yeah.
Again, we don't know anything about this mattress. It was one I found online. I just looked at the reviews. It had good reviews. It was like $156 or something. If it works well and we really like it, we'll let you guys know what it is.
Yeah, we'll have to do a follow-up, let you know how good or bad it is. It's a little heavy, as most of these mattresses are when they're shrink wrapped like that, but you can carry it inside, carefully cut the plastic open,
yeah, I don't want to
and lay it out.
Yeah.
Let me carry it.
I gotta get it.
You got it. Put some muscle into it.
Yeah.
It's always exciting to have a new mattress.
Yeah. All right.
Let me go get a razor knife.
Yes, please.
That's a lot of plastic. Golly, look at all that. So there's the mattress.
Yeah, you might need to
shrink
lift it
wrap.
up.
Huh?
You might need to lift it up now.
Yeah.
It's a little more cumbersome.
Okay. It's kind of awkward too.
Yeah, it is. That's why I said.
I guess this is the top side, huh? Or no, maybe this is the bottom
that's the
side.
bottom, probably. Uh-oh. It does have a cover on it, so that's good. Oh, shit. You okay?
Not really. It hurt. If I would have done the other way, I could have pulled the plastic out.
That's the fun part.
So as I'm crawling around on the Froli, some of them get a little turned. All you gotta do is just give them a quick little turn, put them right back in place. It's a full contact mattress installation.
Yeah, and actually I think I'm going to have to wait about putting the Beddy on because they're supposed to wait till
Gotta fluff it up.
it's got to fluff up.
It's getting thicker.
It's supposed to do it for like 24 hours, I think it says.
So as you can see, with the Froli system, you got about an 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches or whatever that the mattress sits off of the bottom of the camper there. So that allows for airflow to go under and out the sides and wherever. So it keeps any condensation from building up underneath the mattress, and gives you a little box spring support. So we're excited to use the Froli again, but even more excited to try out this new mattress.
Yeah.
And give us a little bit more headroom and hopefully comfort. See how it feels. It's not quite ready, but
I think it'll definitely be way better as far as space.
yeah. Give us some little extra headroom. What's the brand of this, do you know?
Neiville, I think. Nave. I don't know how you say it.
Well, we'll put a link below just in case anybody's interested in it, but
Yeah.
can't say much about it right now, really.
Yeah, we don't know anything about it, so we just gambled and spent $156.
Yeah. So while we're waiting for the mattress to inflate, I guess you could almost say, waiting for it to fluff up, I have been working. You can see my polisher down there. I've been working a little bit on polishing the the back of the camper here. I've done, I don't know if you can even tell in the light, but polished the back and the door. I still need to do the other side. So I still need to do the whole camper really. So if I spin around over here, I mean the camper looks good, but once I actually shine it up, it'll look a whole lot better. I just did a little spot down here in the bottom several weeks ago. And then this area here, which can't really, there you go. You can see a little shine there. And I was able to like polish up that light. You can tell in comparison to this one, doesn't look real good. So it's kind of a job on the arms. So I'm just gonna keep going a little at a time. All right.
I'm measuring the mattress and it's, I don't know how it's gonna, it's only 5 inches right now.
Yeah.
Guess it's supposed to flip off at another inch.
Guess so.
Hopefully it does.
Give it a little more time.
Okay. I'm impatient.
So while we're waiting for the mattress to fluff up, we're gonna have us a cold one and just hang out here for a few minutes. We're excited to go do some truck camping. It's been a while.
Yeah.
And we did just go on a 2-week trip with our Bigfoot here behind us. I just got done washing that today because it was super dirty. So now that we got this camper able to fit on our Ram 3500 dually.
Yeah, we're gonna go take it camping soon.
Yeah, we're ready to go. So I'm excited about that, ready to go try it out. If you haven't seen that video on how to make a single rear wheel truck camper fit on a dually, go check out those 2 videos. I think I came up with a pretty good solution. So excited to check it out.
Yeah, we might do our Christmas camping trip in this camper. We're not sure yet.
Yeah, got to figure out where we're gonna go Christmas camping.
Yeah.
Somewhere festive, so looking forward to that. And but first we're gonna try to do a little fall camping and check out some pretty good leaves, so.
Yeah.
All right, let's go check the mattress. Is it ready for the Beddy yet?
No. Still only 5 inches. All right, so I'm getting ready to put the Beddy in. And for those of you who don't know what a Beddy is, it's a zippered bedding system for your bed. We bought it years ago for one of our other campers. We purchased it full price. We're not an affiliate or it's not sponsored or anything like that. We do like it. It has, you know, its own issues. The sheets connected to the
whole bed covering, really.
Yeah, everything's connected, so it's hard. Like when you have to wash it, you have to take the whole thing out to wash it. So it's a little annoying, but.
And Carly even made her own for the Bigfoot.
Yeah, so I made my own zippered bedding for the Bigfoot.
So it's a king size bed.
Because it's a king size bed. We couldn't use this one. I really wanted to use this one, we couldn't. And then I decided I was going to make my own and make it work like I wanted it to. And Todd made a few suggestions, so I did it the way he said to make it, and it actually worked out really well. And
yeah, it came out great.
Yeah, I'll show it in another video. But
yeah, it's awesome.
For now, we're going to use this in here, and I'm getting ready to put it on, and it's probably going to be like working out. So here I go.
It's not easy to take on and off, but
No.
it is nice, though.
Yeah, it is.
I'll give it that. And it's also expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
They're not cheap.
They're not cheap. I gotta
They're
see.
very proud of their product, that's for sure.
Yeah, I gotta see where the top is. Okay. So just so you can see what a Beddy looks like, we have the one with the minky, so it's like a little fuzzy thing inside. It feels really nice. And then it just sort of tucks in and zips up. And whenever you get up in the morning, you can make your bed up real fast. Just zip it right up. And
Makes it super easy.
super easy to make up.
Make your bed real fast.
Make your bed real fast, yeah. It actually was much easier to put it in here than it has been in other campers because this mattress is so thin, so that actually worked out well.
Yeah.
Looks good.
That's the Beddy. Looks good. Let's check it out.
Yeah, I got the pillows in the room in upstairs. So.
Yep. Super easy to make up. Zip it up. And as you can see, we still got some airflow underneath the mattress with the Beddy, or with the Froli system.
Yep.
So, looks good. We're ready to go camping.
Yay, let's go.
Let's go. Well, that about wraps it up for just this quick little project we had going on this evening.
Yeah, We've been wanting to get a mattress and put the Froli in for a while, so we were finally able to get that done.
Yeah, excited to get that old one out because it's just way too thick. I mean, it's actually a nice Simmons mattress, but pretty comfortable. But
Yeah, it's a
too
residential
big.
mattress. It's just too big.
Yeah. So anyhow, appreciate you hanging around watching. Hopefully we'll be getting out and doing some more truck camping here real soon. So please look forward to those videos, and we'll see you next time on Runaway Roses. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.